morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Econ with Abhinav. And here we are to our next lecture on elasticity of demand. Today we'll study about the types of elasticity of demand. So in the previous video I had told about the basics of elasticity, and now we are going to study the types of elasticity which will help you to solve the numericals and find out which kind of elasticity the question has. So first is perfectly inelastic. This will be demand, not supply. So here we'll correct this. Perfectly inelastic demand. So in this kind of elasticity, we see that when there is no change in quantity demanded as a result of change in price. So when the price of the good is changing, but resulting to that there is no change in the quantity demanded by the consumer, so we say that the elasticity of demand is zero, or demand is perfectly inelastic. In this case, the answer which you will derive from the numerical will be 0. We'll draw the graph here. On the x-axis it will be demand, and on the y-axis we'll plot the price. Since the quantity is not changing, the demand curve will here be completely a vertical line. That means at any level of price, the quantity of good or the demand for the consumer for that good will not change at all. So we see a vertical line. If the price goes upward or downward, quantity will not change. The second type of elasticity that we'll see here is inelastic demand. So please note the difference between perfectly inelastic demand and inelastic demand. In inelastic demand, the change in the quantity demanded, here the change will be percentage change, not only the normal change but in the terms of percentage. So when the percentage change in quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in price, we say that the demand is inelastic in nature. In this case, the numerical value of the elasticity of demand will be less than 1. It will be greater than 0, but it will be less than 1. So now we'll draw the graph. In case of perfectly inelastic, the demand curve was completely vertical in shape. In case of inelastic demand, the slope will change a little bit, like it will be a slightly slanted demand curve, not completely, but a small slant or slope will be there. So we see that the price has changed by greater percentage, and quantity, you see that there is only a little bit change in the quantity. So this is called as inelastic demand. The third type of elasticity that we'll see is unitary elastic demand. So in case of unitary elastic demand, we'll see that unitary means 1. When we say unit, the unit is 1. So the percentage change in the quantity demanded in this case will be equal to the percentage change in price. Please observe the law of demand application here. The price and the quantity will move in opposite direction. That means, for example, if the price is increasing by 5%, then the quantity demanded will decrease by 5%. It will be moving in opposite direction. The graph of the unitary elastic demand will be a slope of value 1. So this will be the demand curve in case of unitary elastic demand, when percentage change in quantity demanded is equal to the percentage change in price. So from the graph we can see that the change in price is approximately equal to the change in the quantity. You see the gap between the two curves. So this is the unitary elastic demand. Now coming on to the next type, the fourth type is greater elastic demand, or only we can say it as elastic demand. If it is written that the demand is inelastic, or it is written that demand is greater elastic, so it will be same. In this case, the percentage change in quantity demanded for the good will be more than the percentage change in price. That means the quantity is more responsive to the change in price. अगर प्राइस में चेंज थोड़ा सा होगा तो क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड में थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा चेंज होगा. So here the elasticity of demand value will be greater than 1. So if the elasticity is greater than 1, we'll see the slope of demand curve will definitely increase. So the demand curve will be more slanted. As we go towards more elasticity, the slope of the demand curve will go on increasing. और ज़्यादा फ्लैटनेस की तरफ जाएगा डिमांड कर्व हमारा जैसे जैसे इलास्टिसिटी की वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी. सो हेयर विल सी दैट एज द प्राइस चेंजेस द क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड changes by a higher portion. Okay, now the fifth type of elasticity or the last type of elasticity is perfectly elastic demand. This happens when the price of good does not change or the price of good remains constant, but due to some other factors the quantity demanded of the good changes. So this is called as perfectly elastic demand. So when the quantity demanded or the price is constant for the good but only the quantity demanded of the good is changing, so we call it as perfectly elastic demand. Here the value of elasticity of demand will be infinite का रीज़न ये है कि जब हम परसेंटेज चेंज इन प्राइस निकालेंगे तो दैट विल कम आउट ज़ीरो बिकॉज प्राइस इज़ कांस्टेंट. बट जब हम परसेंटेज चेंज इन क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड निकालेंगे तो इट विल गिव अ सर्टेन वैल्यू. सो एनी वैल्यू डिवाइडेड बाय ज़ीरो गिव्स द आंसर एज इन्फिनिटी और नॉट डिफाइंड. So here the elasticity of demand value will be equal to infinity. Now we'll draw the demand curve for this condition. X-axis will represent the demand, Y-axis will represent the price, and here the demand curve will be a completely horizontal line or the perfect slope will be obtained. So here the price is constant and only the quantity demanded is changing. This represents the perfectly elastic nature of the demand curve and the elasticity value of infinity. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.